G'day, my name is Mark. I'm Jesper. That's Mark, and this is a little story about Mark. You may know him as the pallet punter, or that Aussie guy who uses pallets. Lots and lots and lots of pallets to build his projects. Mark, or Dainty as he prefers to be called, started a woodworking hobby many years ago, and he decided he would use pallet wood as pallets are free and easy to learn with. Dainty then decided to share his work on the internet in all the usual social places, so his friends and family could see what he was up to. It also helped him to sell a few items of furniture and make a little money. And this helped him to buy tools and make more furniture. Dainty also likes to have a laugh, as we all know by now. One day he received a message, a meme. This meme, and it goes a little something like this.
What a classic! I know exactly which buffet to send this to.
It took me all day, but I finally made this pallet out of an old coffee table. And Mark lolled. That's right, he laughed out loud.
I'm lolling out loud.
Then he received the meme a few more times. Then, the more people Dainty met on the woodworking internet, the more he would get sent the very same meme.
Laughy face, laughy face, laughy face.
Oh, seriously, that's got Dana written all over it.
Well,
I gotta send that to Dainsy.
Dainsy, you'll love this one.
lol,
That's gold. Gotta send that to Dainty.
lol,
Gotta share that with Dainsy.
waha,
Yeah, that's got Dana written all over it.
lol,
Bloody hell. Have a look at this one, Dainsy.
BW, HA,
Mark's gonna like this.
waha, ha,
Dana's gonna love it.
lol,
I gotta send that to Dana.
BW, HA,
Oh, Dainsy, you're gonna love this one.
lol,
Oh, yes, that is the word.
lol, lol,
Mark's gonna giggle like a schoolgirl.
laughy face,
Oh man, check that out. Mark is gonna love this.
lol,
Mark will love that.
lol, waha,
Dana's gonna love that. Check this out.
waha,
Definitely sending this to Dana.
BW, HA,
I better send that over to Mark. I bet he hasn't seen that one.
Mark had well and truly seen this meme, but he would always reply with a lol or a BWHA or the crying laughing emoji as appropriate. Did people actually find this funny, or were they trying to send Mark a message? Mark did not know and carried on replying.
Mark needs to do this. Oh, you okay, buddy?
BW, HA.
Did you just BWAHA me right now?
I did just BW, HA, you mate. Sorry, I've seen the meme. A lot.
Mark, you have to do this. The internet needs you to do this. I need you to do this.
So it was decided Mark would make the meme. He got started by searching the internet for a coffee table. One that would have sufficient timber to make a full-size shipping pallet. Mark could not believe his luck when he found this solid coffee table for just 25 kangaroo skins. That is the currency of Australia. And because he is a massive tight ass, this coffee table was just perfect. Was it mahogany? Was it walnut? Was it some exotic timber he could not pronounce without getting corrected by Victorians? Mark was excited. This was going to be the most beautiful pallet ever made. Then Mark makes his first cut, and this excitement fades as he realizes the coffee table is made out of pine. And it was merely a dark stain and varnish. This did not deter Mark. The internet needs this. Phil needs this. I need this. Now. All this time, the memes never stopped rolling in. Mark would reply and carry on with his important task of creating a beautiful shipping pallet made from a coffee table. That took him all day. Just like the meme said, what Mark would really like you to know, this meme has well and truly been done on all the places of the internet. We must now ask ourselves, why did Mark really do this? Firstly, he needed a special pallet that he mentioned in his last video and pretended to make a big deal out of. The mysterious 20th pallet, as you may recall. Secondly, Mark needs a pallet, albeit it is just made of pine, so he can host a pallet maker challenge. A pallet challenge? So basically this video is an invitation to you, my maker friends. And to me, of course. Thanks, Mark. Mark would like you to make something out of a pallet. Or 2, or 3. And some other ingredients, if you wish. And just to have some fun and be creative. The challenge will run in the first quarter of 2023. And there will be some special prizes, special pallet mallets made by Mark. How many? Well, he does not know yet, because he's literally making this up as he's writing the script for me to read. Mark would also like to invite the prize winners to make a cameo performance in a video with him along with their pallet creations.
Checks where?
And if this sounds like a little bit of fun to start the year, Mark would very much like it if you shared this video with your friends. Because we must all realize that no one is searching YouTube for a video on how to build a pallet out of an old coffee table. Mark had left the pallet out in the weather and then applied his most favorite pallet finishing concoction of water-based opinions and unnecessary pallet wood hate. Mark also did briefly wonder if there would be a niche market for custom-made pallets made from recycled furniture.
There we go. Ooh. Let's find out.
I am Jesper from Jesper Makes. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you.
And also, if it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe and help Mark out. That'd be great. Yeah, Mark needs the help.